To adjust color temperature for camera filters on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. In here, you want to swipe across and then tap on the filter button. Next, swipe across and select a filter. Then go to the top here and tap on color temp or color temperature. At the bottom here, you can drag it to the right or to the left to adjust the color temperature. And that's it. After, you can then take a shot, or you can simply just tap on the back key. Your changes will be saved, and from here you can then take a shot with the new changes. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.